Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best sofas of 2025. Whether you need a stylish sectional, a modular cloud couch, or a sleeper sofa for guests, this list covers comfort, durability, and value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Furmax Sectional Couch, U-shaped sofa with double chaise. The Furmax U-shaped sectional features a linen fabric finish, double chaise design, and 4 seating areas. Its modern, space-efficient layout makes it suitable for apartments and mid-sized living rooms. This sofa stands out for its roomy seating, firm yet comfortable cushions, and easy-to-clean upholstery. The U-shape is ideal for families or for hosting guests. Pros: spacious U-shaped design, comfortable and supportive cushions, durable linen fabric, great for medium to large spaces. Cons: assembly takes some time, not ideal for very small rooms. A reliable and affordable option for anyone wanting a modern sectional with plenty of seating. Number 2. Ihanherry 111.4-inch L-shaped modular sectional cloud couch. This modular cloud-style sofa comes with deep seating, chenille fabric, an ottoman, and a 4-seat layout. The soft cushions and rearrangeable modules make it highly adaptable. The Ihanherry sectional is extremely comfortable thanks to its plush, deep cushions. The modular design lets you customize the layout to your space. Pros: very comfortable deep seat design. Modular pieces allow flexible setups. Includes an ottoman. Soft and premium chenille material. Cons: light-colored fabric requires frequent cleaning. Deep seats may feel oversized for small spaces. A perfect choice if you want a cloud-like seating experience with layout versatility. Number 3. Queen Pull-Out Sofa Bed, 2-in-1 Convertible Sleeper Sofa. This 83-inch sleeper sofa converts into a queen-size bed and includes a built-in mattress, USB ports, and side pockets. Designed for multi-purpose rooms or small apartments. The pull-out design is smooth, and the queen mattress is comfortable enough for regular guest use. Built-in USB ports add convenience for charging devices. Pros: queen-size pull-out mattress, built-in USB ports and side pockets, durable frame, space-saving design. Cons: slightly firm mattress for some sleepers, heavier than standard sofas. A great choice for anyone needing a multifunctional sofa that serves as both a couch and a guest bed. Number 4. 108-inch modular sectional sofa, deep seat L-shaped couch. This 108-inch modular sofa features a deep seat cloud design, left-facing chaise, and boneless cushion structure, upholstered in soft fabric for a modern aesthetic. The deep seating makes this sofa incredibly relaxing. It has a modern minimalist look that works well in large living rooms. The modular layout is easy to adjust. Pros: deep, relaxing seating, flexible modular setup, modern and luxurious design, soft, comfortable cushions. Cons: best suited for larger spaces, lighter fabric may wear faster without proper maintenance. Perfect for anyone who wants luxury-level comfort in a spacious, modern living room. Number 5. Cloud Sectional Couch, boneless fluffy sofa with L-shaped chaise. This fluffy, cloud-style sectional comes in a no-assembly required design, deep seats, and modern construction. The L-shaped chaise adds extra lounging space. This sofa is ideal for comfort lovers. Its fluffy, sink-in design offers a lounge-worthy feel. It arrives fully assembled, which is a major plus. Pros: extremely comfortable, fluffy seating, deep seat design, no assembly required, great for relaxing or binge-watching. Cons: cushion structure is very soft, not ideal for those needing firm support. Dark gray fabric may show lint. A top pick for those who want maximum comfort without any assembly hassle. These were the top 5 best sofas of 2025. Each one offers something unique, whether it's modular flexibility, deep seat comfort, or multifunctional design. Check the links in the description to learn more or compare prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.